Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How are you all doing today? If you are new tuning in, let me give you a warm welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's video. So you guys already know what I'm going to talk about in today's video from the thumbnail. This is a couple of weeks update. I have completely lost track. I'm not sure how long it's been since I did the initial review of none other than the Fenugreek seeds. So I guess it's safe to say that I may have been taking these Fenugreek seeds for about 3 to 4 weeks. So I guess it's safe to say roughly I've been taking them for about a month. And so I know my initial review was more of a rush. To me, it just sounded like it was rush. But the reason that I decided to take Fenugreek is to help improve stronger, healthier hair growth. And in addition to taking these Fenugreek seeds, I am doing other things as well. But if you're definitely taking supplements of any sort, I highly believe that you should be drinking a lot of water. Okay? Not sure what the science is behind it, but I find that my experience, when I don't drink enough water when taking supplements, a lot of the side effects that some supplements can have, I tend to experience those, and I don't like that. So I tend to try to drink a lot of water. However, seek the advice of your medical provider. Okay, so Fenugreek is great for a lot of different things, but again, I'm mainly focusing on my hair. So what Fenugreek can do for the hair is it prevents hair loss. Fenugreek contains lectin, which acts as a natural emollient that conditions and moisturizes your scalp and hair deeply. Okay. And I'm just showing you guys that I have truly been taking these supplements, but I have not been following the instructions. I believe for this particular kind that I have, it says that I should be taking 2 capsules daily. I don't take 2 capsules daily because I really don't like taking anything that I would consider to be medicine, even though these are just supplements. I really don't like having to digest a lot of things, but I know this is for the benefit of me. This is what the capsules look like. They are very small, not big at all, easy to swallow, but I haven't been taking 2. I only take 1, but I highly recommend that you follow the instructions there. Okay, because I'll never tell you guys don't follow the instructions. Another good thing about Fenugreek, you guys, if you did not know, it revives damaged hair, fights dandruff, conditions scalp inflammation, adds shine and soft texture, and prevents premature gray. So in my initial video, I did tell you guys that I do have some little sprouts of gray. I don't know if you guys can really see it now, but there they are. But they are not as pronounced as before, but you know, I'm not tripping on the gray hair, but that may encourage you to consider trying Fenugreek if you haven't already. Y'all, it smells absolutely amazing. I really like it. Now, I'm not going to go any further with that. Check out the initial video with the review of the product initially, but let me show you my progress. So these sprays, as you guys know, are, or maybe you don't know, these sprays are fairly new. I've only had them for about 2 weeks now. And this is some of my growth that I've been experiencing since I've been taking Fenugreek and doing other things in addition to taking the supplement. Like I mentioned before, I have been drinking water, and I have been going in with my Miel strengthening hair oil as well. So far this is the progress of me doing those things. As you guys can see, my scalp doesn't look dry. I don't have any dandruff like that. The little new growth that I do have looks fully moisturized. It doesn't look dry. My hair feels really good. My scalp feels really good. I have no complaints at all thus far. I have not experienced any side effects from taking this particular supplement. Everything seems to be as normal. So no complaints there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's about a month, my first month's update. I am going to continue to wear these braids. I don't plan on taking them out until maybe August. Just have to kind of play it by ear and just kind of see what I want to do. But I will provide you guys with I'm going to try to do better. I'll provide you guys with a 2-week update. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you tubes in the next one. Smooches.